What's going on, guys? Today I'll be reviewing the trade I took today, and I'll be basically giving an explanation for why I took it and how I made around about $70 today trading MNQ. So, as you can see here, this was a very textbook setup, and I'll go through it all. Market opened up at 9:30, and going into market, I was looking for an open high, low close. Now, what an open high, low close is basically when we see price form, it opens, it forms a high, the low, and then it closes. And that's the typical candle formation, right? Because every single candlestick will look like this when you've got the body, like that. I'll just change this so it doesn't extend, right? You've got the body here, you've got the wick, and the wick to the bottom. Every single candlestick looks like that. And that's open, high, low, close. Now what's the opposite? Open, low, high, close. And that would obviously just be the opposite. So going into today, I was hoping to see something like this, where that would not actually be green, that would be red. But open, high, low, close. So what do we see when we come into today? Well, we have, if we go into the daily time frame, we have a daily fair value gap right above here. So mark that out there. What can we also see coming into the day on the 15-minute time frame? We can see that if we just focus on this area, we've got London high standing above us, just below the daily fair value gap, and we've got London low sitting below us with an additional 4-hour or 30-minute fair value gap with an intermediate low. So, ideally, I was looking for a manipulation into that daily FVG. And what do we see? When you know it, we immediately manipulate up into that daily fair value gap, and we sweep the London high, and we see a massive push back down. So what do I do? What do we also see actually? We see an IFVG right there, 1 minute. There's also 30-second, which I was actually looking at, but for this I'll just show you the 1 minute. And you can see that I sold right here at one micro at 29187.5, and I closed my position at 29152.50. Quick 1-to-1, very quick and easy. And it was just a textbook setup. We had all this low resistance liquidity on the 15-minute time frame. It was very easy today. Now, there was another trade you could have taken when we reached this 30-minute fair value gap, when we sweep the London low and that intermediate low. You could have taken the inversion here, gone for 1-to-1, something looking like this. I personally didn't, because I was happy with this position. I mean, closing 2 minutes. Do you really need to trade more than that? And that was basically it. So once again, just to give you a full recap of what we saw, I'll just type it out here. We had higher time frame bias, where I wanted to see an open high, low, close. We then had a manipulation into a higher time frame FVG. In this case, it was the daily FVG. However, it can of course be the 15-minute FVG. It could have been just a London high, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, something like that. And the last thing we saw was we saw a 1 minute IFVG, along with actually strong displacement. You always want to look for candles with strong displacement. It wasn't quite a change in the state of delivery, but it was good enough. So, high time frame bias, manipulation, and an IFVG. And to be honest, that's all you really need. Bias, manipulation, execution. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. I will be trying to do more of these, and let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to see some sort of video where I go over a specific ICT concept, which I'll do later in the week, or if I go over maybe backtesting, I'll do that. So I mean, I hope you guys got this. I hope you guys did well today, and see you in the next one.